Hello everyone. Let's now talk about this worksheet 1 for chapter 1. So we already have the solutions uploaded to the Blackboard. Now let's go over the solutions very quick. So number 1, we want to generate 5 random numbers from 1 to 39 using the random number generator. And we want to attach a screenshot to the back of the assignment. So let's see the random number generator. So this calculator.net is the one that we introduced on the lecture notes. However, this is not the only one we can use. We can have a lot of this if we just Google random number generator. So for this question, if we select this one, 5 numbers from 1 to 39, we can go with the easy version, right? So just click upper limit and then change that to 39, 1 to 39, and then we hit generate. So the first time we got 24, and generate again, and again until we reach the requirement 5 random numbers, or we do it 5 times. Or we can use the comprehensive version. So we change lower limit to 1, upper limit to 39, and then we want to generate 5 numbers. 1 to 39, that means the one we want to have are all integers. The ones are all integers. So we have to select this integer, right? And then allow duplication in the results, yes, because if we do that using the easy way, we keep generating one number from 1 to 39. It's possible that we have to duplicate, right? So here we just put yes. And then for the result, we don't need to do that, but we can like select ascend or descend, no problem. So we just hit generate, then we have 5 numbers from 1 to 39, 5 random numbers. Okay, that's question 1. And then you can just attach that screenshot to the back of this worksheet 1 answer. Then you can submit to the Blackboard. Or I do see a lot of you just submit like 2 different files. That's also okay. Number 2, give an example about the clustering sampling method. So the example that we have here is if we have a class that has 10 study groups. So naturally, the 10 study groups can be clusters, right? So then we just random select among these 10 clusters. For example, we label the study group from 1 to 10, right? And we random select 3 clusters out of these 10 groups. So we have 1, 4, 5 selected. Then everyone in that group 1, group 4, group 5 will be the sample. We don't do further selection from the clustering. We want to keep everyone in that cluster, and then everyone from group 1, 4, 5 form this sample, and we call it cluster sample. That's number 2. Okay, number 3, the table below this displays a selection of variables from a study data set. So this is more like given the real data out of a variable, and we want to further determine what type of variable it is by looking at the data. So don't forget ID, and you don't need to include ID in the answer. So that's just the first column we try to label, starting from 1 to whatever we have. Okay, so we have what? The variable age, the variable gender, height, blood, LDL, happy, number of children, smoke, and social class. Question number 1, which of the above variables are classified as quantitative variables? So quantitative means numerical, right? So we look at the data with numbers or numerical values. So age, right? Numbers. So that's one of those quantitative variables. And then height, 1.62, 1.58, all numbers. LDL, 150, 123, all numbers. Number of children, right? 0, 1, 3, so on and so forth. So we have what? Age, height, LDL, number of children that are classified as numerical variable, or we'll call it quantitative. Number 2, which of the above variables are classified as qualitative? So non-numerical value variable, qualitative, right? So we have what? The rest. We have gender, blood, happy, feeling happy, smoke, and social class. We just put that down, right? Number 3, which of the above variables are classified as continuous variable? Continuous variable. And number 4, which of the above variables are classified as discrete variable? Continuous and discrete. We'll look at those from what? From quantitative variable. So first, the variables must be quantitative. Then we further look at whether it's continuous or discrete. So we just need to check the answer from question number 1, right? So among age, height, LDL, number of children, which ones are continuous? So let's look at the data. Height, right? So you got like 1.62, 1.58. We have a number with decimal, right? So that's what that means. The data can be any number between a range. So height is continuous. And what about LDL? Although the LDL, we do see integer here, but it's actually can be any number between a range. So height and LDL, we say they're continuous variables. And then the rest gonna be age, number of children, right? So age, number of children, they're discrete variables. So age in years, right? 25, 35, 44, 28 is a clear integer, and it's kind of jump from one integer to another. So we say it's discrete, and the same as number of children. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and you don't have 2.5 here, so discrete. And again, that's why we put in years, right? If you don't say age in years, just like a very precise age can be classified as continuous. But for this example, we kind of prefer to put age in discrete because of the setup. And then question number 5, which of the above variables are classified as nominal variables? So for nominal, you are gonna look at the qualitative variable, and then from there, which one we can not put in orders. I mean the categories, we cannot put those in orders. So the first one, gender, right? So gender, male, female, there's like no order here. So gender is nominal. And then the next one, blood, no order, right? A, B, O, so blood is nominal. And then feeling happy, agree, strongly agree, disagree. So we can put orders actually. So so this one is not nominal. And smoke, yes or no, no order, so nominal. And the class 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So there's an order, so that one is not nominal. So then we can put gender, blood smoke under the nominal, and then the rest, happy and social class, we put that in ordinal. Okay, that's all the questions. One more thing to mention here is for the gender. For example, gender, and we put 1 represent female and 0 represent male, and then we change that to 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Like we code gender using numerical value. Then do we say is quantitative or qualitative? In that case, we're still gonna say gender is qualitative, although we do see numerical value, because you cannot do any math on top of that numerical value. For example, you cannot say 1 plus 0 divided by 2.5. So 0.5 doesn't represent anything. It's more like just a coding. It's the same whether we use 0, 1 or the letter F, M. So again, for gender, if we do code gender as 1, 0, we still say is qualitative. It's not numerical value. Okay, thanks for watching.